If your knife is dull and you don't have a sharpening stone, all you need is a used battery to sharpen your knife again. An old proverb says that a good chef cannot cook without a knife, which highlights the importance of a knife in cooking. If the knife is dull, it affects the quality of the food. A brand new knife is sharper and cuts more easily, but over time, it becomes dull. When the knife is dull, you have to move it back and forth multiple times to cut through the tomato skin, which is very frustrating. Additionally, a lot of tomato juice stays on the cutting board, affecting the appearance of the ingredients. In this situation, even cutting a thin piece of paper becomes difficult. At this point, you need to sharpen the knife, but don't worry, there's a simple and amazing trick to sharpen your knife again. Step 1. Using toothpaste. Take some toothpaste, any kind, and open the cap. And apply a small amount on the edge of the kitchen knife. Using a cotton swab, spread the toothpaste evenly on the blade. The toothpaste contains very fine abrasive particles that, although tiny, act like miniature sharpening tools when applied to a dull knife. These particles gently polish the small, rough, and worn areas on the blade that have developed over time from use. This process acts as a mild abrasive without damaging the knife's surface, smoothing the blade and preparing it for the next sharpening step. Step 2. Using a battery. Next, prepare a used battery. Remove the outer plastic cover. Don't underestimate this used battery, as it is a powerful tool to help sharpen your knife. Now, we use the battery's metal casing to sharpen our knife. Sharpen in one direction and at a constant speed. While sharpening, hold the battery at a 20-degree angle to the knife blade. The metal surface of the battery will rub against the blade, helping to remove any leftover debris and smoothing out any stubborn worn areas. You only need to polish each side for 1 minute, and the knife will become as sharp as a razor. Prepare a container or tray large enough to fit the entire knife in it. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the surface of the knife. Baking soda has excellent disinfectant properties and can break down and remove any grease stuck to the blade. After the baking soda, gently add white vinegar. White vinegar works wonders in softening stubborn stains and can dissolve tough dirt stuck to the knife's surface. When the baking soda and vinegar meet in the container, a brilliant chemical reaction occurs, releasing many bubbles. These bubbles help loosen and remove various stains from the knife. After 5 to 10 minutes, take a toothbrush and gently scrub both sides of the blade with some pressure. With these simple cleaning steps, all the grease and stains will be removed from the knife's surface, restoring its shine and cleanliness. Final step, wash the knife thoroughly with water to remove all the grease, stains, and debris from the polishing process. And dry it with a towel to make it shine. After this precise polishing, the knife will be incredibly sharp and can even cut hair. The tomato is sliced evenly without the need for sawing the knife back and forth. The fresh, intact flesh of the tomato remains, and almost no juice is spilled. If you use it to cut paper, it's even easier. It's like a hot knife cutting through butter, and the cut line is smooth and clean. This method is very practical, and whether it's for everyday cooking or simple tasks, this kitchen knife can handle everything with ease and deliver outstanding performance. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video interesting, give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, I'll see you in the next video.